so much fun.
It does mean lots of training though, and sometimes she has to get up at...
I've only really done horse riding and tennis, and you're just on your own, and it's not like this. I'm going to play football. Huh?
All right, team.
Hi. I just saw the match, and I wondered, could I join the team?
Well, it's not quite as simple as... Have you played before?
I've played quite a lot.
Okay, well, we do have a trial in 2 days' time at 2 p.m.
Hooray!
But you gotta know that we have a high level on the team here. They've been playing for a long time together, and it takes time to...
Thank you. I can't wait to play with me and the others.
Takes time to become good at something.
Come on, Stella. You've got this. Again. Yeah.
Get away from my tree! Those cherries are not for royal consumption.
Just playing football, Mrs. Kaufman. I'm going to be on the first team.
First team, my...
Not the window!
Whoa. Run!
Remember to close one eye and take aim, Stella! Just like in polo!
Dad, don't mention the polo. And could you please get Molly and Mr. P to leave?
Well, they're just here for moral support.
Go, Stella! Go, Stella!
Stella, I gotta tell you, I think you need to start at the beginners team. Your level right now isn't where it needs to be.
I remember when I was young and played polo, and I wasn't very good either. But then...
You played polo?
Not for very long, but I had lots of fun. I made friends, and I even met your father there.
I won't play football for very long either.
The point is not to give up, and try to have fun. I gave up too soon.
Stella! I'm sorry, I'm just learning to play football and I'm not very good at it. Do you want to play with us?
Yes.
Are you okay, Stella? Go, Stella! Go, Stella! Yeah! Go, Stella!
Wait till you see my long pass. I've been practicing all week.
Okay, practice match. Split into 2 teams.
Huh?
Oh.
Yay!
Out!
Stella, come on! Stella, are you all right?
Sprained ankle. To the first aid room.